Furry. Okay, your question is what are they eating? They eat... Ayun. Teka. Plants. They eating plants, different plants.
Oh,
Plant-eating creatures with upper and low pairs of sharp incisor teeth. They have sharp teeth. Yana, are nocturnal. What is nocturnal? Nocturnal.
Nocturnal.
Remember the owl? Remember the owl?
Pygmy
They prefer
owl.
darkness.
Yeah,
When you
they
say
prefer-
nocturnal, they prefer darkness to protect them from predators.
Yeah, predator.
Guinea pig.
Guinea pig.
Others are camouflage to run quickly to cover when threatened. What is camouflage?
Camouflage is like your hand is right here, and then the people cannot see your hand.
So you are protecting yourself. This is yan, ang ganda oh. It's a capybara.
A capybara.
Squirrel, mouse, rat, porcupine is a rodent. Guinea pig is a rodent.
I like guinea pig.
Okay? Oh,
Okay, guinea
Testa.
pig is good.